Welcome back to another video. Today we got Quinn Pliers from Harbor Freights. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more deals, tool deals, Home Depot loves. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this review. Alright, we got Quinn Pliers. Basically we got item number. See if I can close it up. 64573. We got the Quinn 7-inch cutters, ideal for all types of cutting. Harnett cutting edges stay sharp longer. Comfort grip handles for non-slip usage. So this is the like the rubber part. Lifetime guarantee. Ideal for all types of cutting. Hardest. Okay, same stuff. Comfort 25 to 30 seconds maximum jaw capacity. Made in China. And then we got the pretty much the Quinn 63823 slim head designed for tight spaces. 8-inch long pliers. Precision. Teeth grip evenly in all directions. Hardened cutting edges stay sharp longer. Lifetime guarantee. Same thing, made in China. Alright, let's get to the unboxing or unpackaging. Seem to be pretty decent, a little dirty from as you can see there, they're a little dirty. Maybe some smudges from the packaging. And then you got the side cutters there. Pretty much nice, you know, they seem to be okay. Little bit of oil. I can see some oil on the side of the. They're pretty much hard, so this will get broken into over time. So pretty much. We got a little bit of rough edges here, but overall seems to be okay. A little sharp here on the side here on the top. The rubber seems to be pretty held in there, pretty solid, so it doesn't look like it's gonna come apart. And same thing with this, it's pretty solid in there. Same thing, it says wear eye protection. Wear eye protection will not protect against electric current. So yeah, these need to be broken into too. See if I can get a piece of wire. Right, I got an old staple here, like a framing stapler. A staple. It's hard wire here, so let's try it. See how this is. Seems to be pretty decent. No, you don't have to really do a lot of strength. It cuts pretty good. So seems to be pretty solid. Nice and straight now. Got a grip on the bottom here too. I don't know if you guys noticed, but there is a grip on the bottom. Yeah, pretty solid. Yeah, just like I said, just a few edges here on this one. It does have a few sharp edges. on this part. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's kind of dirty in the inside. I don't know if you guys could look at the inside. It's hard to see. So now, you know, these pliers are only $5 or less. So it's a give and a take, you know. For something like this, it'll work. For $5, it's pretty decent, pretty solid. As you squeeze it here, they feel real solid. Hardly any bending. These, same thing, feel pretty solid. You got, what is this? Piece of metal. Piece of metal shaving that it was in there. On the inside of these pliers. Seems to be pretty clean on this side. Yeah, pretty decent. Just a couple shavings in there because of the machine. You know, they didn't clean it all the way, but overall seems to be okay. I mean, this will do the job, I'm pretty sure. Let's see here. No problem. No effort whatsoever. And looking at the teeth, no markings, doesn't really look damaged or anything. Yeah, there's no seems like there's no physical damage or on the cutting part. And this one, same thing. It doesn't look like it's the metal's broken or anything in here from the cuts I just did. Like I said, it's just a little dirty. Okay, I got a rag here. We'll just clean it real quick. See? Like I said, for the money, these are pretty decent. You know, if you need a couple pliers, extra pliers for the truck, or if you're doing like you're heading out to the junkyard, or you need some backup pliers, these will do great for you. I'm probably gonna keep these on the truck just to have for emergencies. However, my doils from Harbor Freight, I'm gonna keep them in my regular toolbox at home, and these I'm probably gonna keep them on the truck in case I need or somebody needs to borrow them, or somebody needs to use them, or if I get my truck breaks or something, then I have something to fix it with. Anyways, that's it for today on these pliers. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.